Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. XRP is coming down nicely and is now reaching an area where a turnaround could occur, basically an E-wave rally, but I don't think we are there yet. I think it will go down a little lower. Obviously in the last videos, or if you watched the videos over the last few days, we talked about the price to go down lower in this Elliott Wave triangle. We observe currently this sideways range and highlighted that it's probably a B wave, and that B wave consists of an A wave, a B wave, a C wave, a D wave, and an E wave. An Elliott Wave triangle has basically 5 waves, contracting triangle as it seems, and as long as the price is now making higher lows and lower highs, we should get this D wave completed ideally in this region between 49 cents and 47.4 cents. And then we should get another E-wave, which would be a lower high, and that could complete the overall triangle. What we need to understand here is that there isn't really a real target for what a D-wave must do. I'm just basing it on the subwave structures. So basically, you don't need, so for example, this D-wave doesn't need to touch the trend line. The D-wave could even go lower than the target box. It's not like a key support that would invalidate the triangle if it breaks below it. It's just an ideal target range. What the D wave shouldn't do is break below the low of the B wave, which was here on the 11th of September, the 45.8 cent level. It should stay above it to keep the triangle alive, because otherwise it will most likely just lead to a direct drop lower. Which is what we expect anyway. So, I mean, for a triangle, however, it needs another E-wave and then down. Of course, it can always go down directly. That's our base case, basically, another low. And yeah, I mean, unless it shows us an impulse above 55.8 cents, that remains our perspective. The D-wave should go a little lower. Again, that ideal target range I specified there between 49 cents and 47.4 cents. It is based on the length of the wave W, which is one of the sub waves within the D wave. Actually need to change the wave degree here of those. Yep. The D wave seems to unfold as a WXY structure. We explored it in yesterday's video and said that the X wave was likely complete. We saw that when it broke below the ascending price channel, and then a break below the previous breakout point to the upside. Yeah, that confirmed it. So it's all playing out. I would now be watching the following FIB levels: 49 cents, 48.4 cents, and 47.5 cents for support. If it goes below that, 46.5 cents is one more support level, but below that we'll probably see an invalidation. Now, again, invalidation, but it doesn't mean that it would generally be in contrast to what we expect, because we expect another low. Yes, ideally we get one more lower high, but of course it can always go there directly. I would only have to change my view on this chart if a break above 55.8 cents occurs. Then it could take the price to 63.6 cents. Always worth knowing what other levels that will change the assumption on the chart. Yeah, and that's quite far away now. So we can also check, there's a different way of measuring a target for a D wave, and that's based on the length of the triangle legs. So I can take the length of the B wave and I compare that with the length of the D wave. And we're typically watching for the 61.8 extension level. That's actually down here. That's 46.7 cents. That's the 200% extension if I measure the wave W. So we have a bit of an overlap down there, which is why I said the yellow box there, or the white box with the white border, that's just an ideal target based on the subdivisions of the D wave. It can go a little lower. It wouldn't be an invalidation. Invalidation of the triangle, again, will only occur if the price breaks below the B wave. And then it would also break to the downside, obviously, of the trend line. Yeah. But essentially what's expected over the next few days or weeks is a break below the 43 cent level. We've been observing that now for 4 weeks, basically. Okay. And it starts to play out. So yeah, that's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.